Sorry guys, my phone fell off and I had to restart again. So Ketentious, I asked you to come out today and you still came out, Mumu man. You came out to talk to me. I got you where I wanted you to be, and you really brought yourself out. That's good. Anyway, did you tell the people that you've been Johnson today? He didn't tell you you've been Johnson today. You did take off. Still take off. You said you were in your house. Was that place your house actually, Ketentious? Or were you hiding? Was that place your house? Of course we know your house. You were not in your house. You took off. Slight test like this, you escaped. You've been Johnson. Back. You were just lucky. You escaped. Well, guys, brief update. This guy actually ran. You know, he played into the game and he ran off. But don't worry, he took off. Every day is for the thief. One day is for the owner. And it was I saw him calling live. He said, how much is the car? He said 70 million. Chai. 2017 Lexus, second-hand use. Look at it. 2017. It's not even up to 15 million.
Car 2021. Well, I can see you 2017 though.
2017.
It's just simply upgraded. That's what it is. Simply upgraded.
Up to 10 million, sir. Carry Willie. Cash and carry.
Upgrade me. 2017 to 2021, I guess.
Which 2021? I got. Don't worry, guys. I'll go post that for my page. 2017 Riketsi Lexus. Where you don't drive finish. Hey, buy second hand. 2017. Now this guy Ben Johnson today. If you see Ben Johnson, so you take off. I don't see that video. In a shake, in a fidget, in a shake, in a. Now your house be that. I don't know your house. Your house will fine like it's in that place. That house. I don't know this guy's house. You know the funny thing is that this guy is stupid. If you are a man, face me. Let me give you guys a tip. He thinks I'm lying. You remember before the last one they held, the one that took you to prison. You went to collect $50,000 at Gwarimpa. You were actually counting the money when they caught you. You were begging like a child. They took you to prison. If you say it's a lie, sue me. I said you went to prison. They caught you with $50,000. You came to pick your money. Local 419, Aproko, local idiots. See Ben Johnson, see Monkey, see Kid to call it pot black. Hey! Hi, God. Women, Sha, men, you can. Well, I don't blame you, Sha. I don't blame you. That name lifted you. But you escaped today, you cannot escape tomorrow now. Anywhere you are, if you like, go and enter hot. I'll fish you out. You went to... You're denying. I have a lot though. I have plenty. I have plenty. EFCC surrounded you. They captured you. You went to collect $50,000. Monkey. I have the case now. You took undertaking now. Have you forgot, son? You took undertaking, not they claim with you. See, they talk about law. Now we be law. We know the law. Get anxious. Get anxious. Get anxious. See as your face be. Get anxious. Who know you? I know the law. If I am lying, sue me. Sue me. You were in prison for blackmail. You went to collect $50,000 at Guarimpa, and the people held you. You were begging like a dog. Please forgive me. I will not do it again. They took you to prison. Am I lying? Are you not a blackmailer? How many clients do you have? How many clients do you have? The ones you can do yourself, the ones you send these people's name to do. Are you not shocked? This is your end. You've been doing, but see this one. Now your Waterloo. So guys, listen. Don't mind the stupid live video. He just ran off and did that video. I was this close. This close. He was just there. Next thing, he just escaped. See, take off. I just look this guy. He run like me. Started down with K leg. I was the guy. They don't like this. You should see this guy running. Ha! Slight like this. Just one small thing. He escapes. But he has nowhere to hide. I will get him. Don't worry. Don't worry. You guys know that I'll get him. You think that me? You should come after me now. You should come after me. Everybody that this guy has duped, I will save them from him. Everybody he's blackmailing, I will save them. Every one of them, whatever you have on them, I will protect them. I will save them. Every one of them, from A to Z, I know them. I know your transactions with them. I have your details, the payments, I have everything, and I will save them. You will never blackmail anybody again. All the monies you've collected, all the cash, because they pay you cash. I have proof. I know how much they paid you. I have evidence. I have pictures. Everything. I have your phone conversations. Everything. Everything. I have it. I have every proof. If you doubt me, sue me to court. I will save them. I know them one after the other, and I will start calling them after you. Whatever, I don't know what you have on them. Whatever it is, enough is enough. And if anybody pay you 1 naira again, listen, this video is going to all the people that pay, all your clients. If you pay him 1 naira again, he's not the one to expose you. This time I will expose you. If you pay him 1 farthing again, from today, don't pay even cash. I have got my eyes on you. Farthing. Let me see. What do you do for a living? Let me see how you will make it. Maybe you said you are calling me stupid. Now you know how stupid I can be. If any of your clients pay you farthing, I will expose them. I know what you have on them. Nobody should pay him farthing again. The last prison you went to did not teach you a lesson, Abby. This time around, you will really sleep in prison. You will relax there. You will build a house there. You will grow old there. You will have children there. I promise you that. My name is Doris Ogala, and I will do it. Trust me. People know me. My people know me that I will never go back on this. This is you have met. You say you have your car is how much? 70 million. Who gave you? How? Who they? How? Who gave you that? Rickety 2017 second hand Rickety Lexus. Now they claim. Who gave you? I said I'm posting it. Where is my? I'm posting it on my page. You guys will see it. I have the tag 2017 old, not even new, used. You bought it used already used though, not new one. Quote me anywhere. The Hilux that was given to you, was it not brand new? Brand new 2021. Brand new. If you say it's not 2021, bring proof. Bring it, let's confirm it. Brand new. Tear rubber. The Hilux that they gave you Of course, you know I'm taking back the halos. I am taking it back. You know it. I will take it back. Yes, I will. I will take that halos back with my full chest, and I will come and dance on top of it in front of my fans. Of course, my people are here now. Idiots. They're calling me stupid. Now you know how stupid I can be. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to update you guys that this guy Ben Johnson today, he take off. He took off, still run. But I'm here. I die here. Did I here? Until I catch this guy, I will not rest. This matter, I don't buy him. I bought the matter. I don't buy him. This guy is a professional blackmailer. That's what he does for a living. You need to see the things I have. People, a lot of evidence that are coming out. In fact, all the people he's blackmailing are coming out now with proofs. He thinks people. Paris is your nightmare. You didn't ask questions. I will dig deep. I will go deeper. I have a lot to say, but guys, you guys have to chill, okay? Chill. Let me get this guy first. I will give you everything you want to hear. If you see Ben Johnson, you take off. I'm not lying. If you see him run. This is a guy that cannot feed himself now. He doesn't have a dime to himself now. Trust me. This guy goes hungry in that house 2 days, no food. Quotes me. It's the more you make, you know. But don't worry. I'm going to call you back, guys. I'm going to get back to you guys. I'm going to call back on this live because I don't want to say much. If I continue this live, I will say much. All right. See you guys. The married women, they're plenty. I'll see you guys later. Bye.